Welcome to Automation 2025 in Mumbai. And India is ready for the next leap in robotics. You'll see it all over here at the Alstred booth. Right from live cobots in action to automation. This is the future of robotics and this is the future of India.
Future of robotics in India is very bright because robotics technology is evolved and it mainly depends on three factors: availability, affordability and adaptability.
If you want to see robotics change industries, this is the place to be.
The world's most autonomous robotics are here at Automation Expo India. Where are you?